Deborah Norville has a story that she has, she's on Inside Edition, a link to. Amazon confirms that Echo device secretly shared users' private audio. There you have it. So, I mean, what do? Do you just yell, Alexa, unplug yourself? Alexa, stop spying on me, you weenie little device. Amazon confirmed an Echo owner's privacy-sensitive allegations on Thursday after Seattle CBS affiliate reported that an Echo device in Oregon sent private audio to someone on a user's contact list without permission. Can you imagine? This is AI. This thing's making decisions for you. Who needs to know what you're up to?